Hey, my name is Memberstack here, and welcome to this week's episode of Webflow Weekly. So in this video, we are going to create a hamburger menu with a Lottie animation. Okay, and this is specifically useful for Webflow template creators because Webflow has made GSAP as a standard for animations. So this would be helpful to a lot of creators. Okay, so just to get started, you're going to need to create an account at lottiefiles.com, and then you are going to search for a hamburger menu animation. So it should look something like this. And then from there, you are just going to download as, and then you're going to choose Lottie JSON and download. Once you have that downloaded, you are going to go to Webflow in your assets, and then you are going to drag in your hamburger menu animation. So once you have that, you are going to go down to tablet, and that's just so we are able to see our menu icons like this. So inside of our menu icons, or typically what you'd have as menu icons, I would delete my top, middle, and bottom. And then in there, I'm just going to drag in a Lottie animation element. And then I'm going to replace it with the Lottie that we just downloaded. So what we have right now is this Lottie animation, but obviously it does nothing right now. We have to animate it in order to, when it's clicked, have the X animation, and then when it's not clicked, we are going to return it back to the hamburger view. Okay, so in order to set all of this up, I'm just going to choose the wrapper above that hamburger menu Lottie animation, and then I'm going to go over to interactions. So under interactions, what you'll see over here is version, but we are going to be using interactions with GSAP. And then what you're going to do is trigger on is going to be set to click, and then we are going to click on our trigger. So for our trigger, we are going to define the click and control. So for the clicks, we want on each click, and then for control, we want it to toggle play reverse. Okay, so now you're going to select the Lottie animation, and then we are going to add an action. So for our action, we are going to say play Lottie, and then we're going to set the duration to 0.5. Our ease will be set to linear, and then from is going to be 0, and then we're just going to set that to 50%. Essentially what we want is for when it's clicked down, it will stop on the X, and then when we click on it again, it will reverse back to the hamburger view. Okay, so let's see if that works. So obviously for this is your navbar, so you are going to set it to run to on all pages like that. Okay, and to test it out, if I open my navbar, you can see that that animation does work, and then if I close my nav menu, that animation resets back again. And this is just a simple interaction that you can use for your hamburger menu. And that is it. You can then just title your interaction to be something that is specific to you, just so you can tell the difference between this one and all your other GSAP interactions that you've created. But that is all. If you have any questions on this, feel free to reach out in the comments below. All right, have a great day. Bye.